Hey y'all, I told you I was heading out to the DR today to shoot a wedding. Well, guess what? Still at JetBlue. So when I got to JetBlue this morning, they told me the kiosks weren't working, my app wasn't working, couldn't access my boarding pass at all. I was wrongfully told to check in one of my bags. They told me I had to stand in the check-in line. By the time I got to the front of this check-in line, my plane was already boarding. They told me they wouldn't let me through the gate. I hadn't even gone through TSA yet. People were missing flights left and right. They told me there was nothing else to do. I gotta wait here till midnight and catch a flight. So I'm missing hours of work because of a technical issue that occurred at this airport at JFK. Just left San Juan Airport. I spent about 4 to 5 hours there waiting. A little nervous for this gig, but excited nonetheless to actually get to my destination. This has been a crazy week, but I'm hoping to lift it up some. Whew. This one, my stomach about to drop. We're here. Talk. We're here. Oh my God. Why am I saying we? I'm here. Ready to check in. Gotta get ready to shoot this wedding, y'all. I'll be back later, but this drink is on point. Ramos, the DJ. I finally made it, y'all. Good morning, people. It is Saturday morning here. It's about to be 9 a.m. I'm just waking up. I'm still tired as fuck. My feet are killing me. My body's aching. But it's my last day here. I already missed a day. So I have to make the best of today. I'm gonna hit a couple of beaches. This resort we're at, which is the Hard Rock Hotel Punta Cana, has about 13 pools and a beach, and I saw the beach yesterday because I did a couple shoots on the beach. It's beautiful. Oh, this resort is amazing and beautiful as well. I'm first gonna give you guys a tour of this room because I love this room. It's a little messy, not gonna lie, but y'all be fine. Alright, so when you first get in, you have closet, robes, comes with slippers, and immediately you get to this gorgeous bathroom. So here's a bathroom, 2 sinks, some towels. What's cool about this bathroom is you can kind of open it up into the room. This would be cool if you're like with somebody you know, like friends or your partner, but I'm rooming with the DJ, so we don't know each other like that, so I ain't gonna be taking no showers with these doors open. Yep. This is the shower right here. Open that up. Just also beautiful. Great water pressure, by the way. Right here, you have the bathroom, which is in a room of its own, and I love that. And here we get into the bedroom. I just woke up because I don't want to miss this last day. About to go out and play. Jacuzzi right in the room. Oh my God. So I think that's what I'm going to do first before I go to breakfast. Just going to take some time to like soak. soak, and chill. And get some liquor. Oh my god, I forgot to show you guys the liquor. First of all, everything's all included in this resort. So we have Presidente, you know, that beer, 7-Up, Pepsi, water. Alright, so we have some vodka, ron Barcelo, El Jimador, some tequila, and some whiskey. All included in the room. It's all included, y'all. Then off to this beautiful balcony. Got 2 chairs out here. And just this beautiful view. It's like this pond. Yeah, so I think it's jacuzzi time, hot tub time, whatever. Ooh, yes, jacuzzi living. Fresh and clean, everybody. That jacuzzi life got me sprung, y'all. I don't want to come back. I'm gonna have to stay over here. Y'all don't need me. Y'all don't need me. Over here they have donuts, pastries. Here they have the eggs and stuff. Food over here. They got some Prosecco here. Orange juice, orange juice. Can't beat them in most of a breakfast. You just can't. Got my gear. Now I'm on this trolley. I'm about to head to the beach. Have a good day. Wow. Beautiful. You like it? Yeah. Look at this blue in the back. Oh my god. Can't beat this. Can't beat this. I don't want to come back, America. That ain't the tea. Come on, y'all. Look at this. Look how beautiful this shit is. Look how beautiful this beach is. Hard rock. Y'all know what y'all doing. The earth. Shout outs to the earth. It's about 5 o'clock here, probably 4 o'clock your time. If you're in New York City. Yo, I've had the most incredible time in DR. And I don't think I expected it, but I needed this break so much, you guys. You don't even know. I got some drone footage for you guys. So, y'all best be watching my videos. Alright, y'all. Hope you guys are having as much fun as I am. And I'm gonna see y'all soon.